I went from making money with trading to losing money with trading, and it was all because of one thing. And that one thing was using a stop loss. You might think I'm crazy hearing that, but I made more money trading without a stop loss than trading with a stop loss. And I've thought about it a lot over the past 2 years on why this was the case. By the way, you are watching Exit Liquidity Trading, where we build after-hours trading systems to exit the 9-to-5 slavery. Now, back to my story. You're gonna think I'm crazy because everyone says that you have to use stop losses, and it makes sense on the surface. But here's my argument and what I've seen over the past 8 years, okay? In the past 2 years, I've taken a lot more losses than I've ever taken. Also in the past 2 years, I've done everything from trading futures to funded accounts and everything in between. And these are all the things that you see on YouTube that the algorithm pushes because it has so much adrenaline and so much appeal to people that you can do something every single day or a few times a week and make like crazy gains. But nobody really talks about like the L's. And the L's come from setting the stop losses. Now, here's the big problem with that, okay? The problem is the system that you use to set the stop losses. Everybody talks about how to set entries, and everybody talks about how to take profits. And everybody also talks about how to set the stop losses. The difference is, and here's the big thing, the difference is the entry models are so different. Out of 100 traders, there are gonna be thousands of different entry models. And out of 100 traders, there are gonna be thousands of different methods for taking profit. But for setting stop losses, everyone pretty much uses the same approach. Because when you set your stop losses, you are trading based on price action, and you have to look at the charts, you have to look at swing lows and pivots, and this is how everybody sets their stop losses. So there's a huge variance on how people enter and potentially take profits on positions, but there's a lot smaller variance in how people set stop losses. There are different stop loss models for longer term swing trading using ADRs or ATRs, but it's not so much talked about. For the most part, I would say the mass number of retail traders out here, myself included over the past 2 years, set stop losses based on price action, market structure. And this is a thing that has just been eating me up. And previously, the years when I felt like I was just rolling in the money, believe it or not, I was not using stop losses. I was trading stocks and crypto. I would use price action, trend lines, Bollinger Bands, whatever, to find better entries. And I was pretty picky with the entry model. So for the most part, I would sit on cash unless I just had a really high quality setup. And for the most part, it played out. But in the rare cases, and it didn't happen often, but in the rare cases, price pushed back below my entry and stayed down there for some time. It actually never stayed down there longer than a few weeks. So if you don't mind, like I didn't mind, to hold the underlying stock or the underlying crypto a little longer because you are long-term bullish on it and you're also playing the ownership game, you're playing the asset acquisition game, I think the game is a lot more favorable for us. So this is the kind of stuff that I think needs to be talked about on the internet for people like you and me who are looking and planning for the post-work era, because you know that having a 9-to-5, having one source of income is a risk. You know that you want to get out of the 9-to-5, whether you love or hate your job, because maybe you want the time freedom, or maybe you know AI is coming for your job. But regardless, you know that there's only two ways out of this. You need to build an asset like a business or a brand, or you need to acquire and accumulate assets and make those assets work for you in the financial markets. And this is the route that we take here on Exit Liquidity Trading. So if you feel that, go ahead and subscribe and share this video with a friend, drop a comment, and just stay tapped in with me.